Camarines Sur. Troop Commander Nona Fidel. Troop S4, Major Leader Kiara R. Durante. DPC Leader Samantha Bien. CTV Company Commander Ronald Villova. CTV Company XO Justin A. Taporo. First Platoon Leader Boys Mark J. Castor. Second Platoon Leader Girls Melissa Joy C. Bien. School Head Fidel P. Beltran Jr. CTV Mafia Facilitator Manuel D. Alayo Jr. Assistant CTV Mafia Facilitator Santiago B. Lopez Jr. Major Coordinator Mace Chief Ivy May Jackson. DLC Coordinator and Director Christine Joy C. Chavez. Assistant DLC Coordinator Mike Angelo A. Obinia. Entry number 1, Tinawagan National High School, Tinawagan, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Fidel P. Beltran Jr. Principal, Tinawagan National High School. Thank you. Entry number 1, Tinawagan National High School, Tinawagan, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Entry number 2, Presentacion National High School, Santa Maria Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Troop Staff, John B. Indigo Jr., Troop Commander, General E. Israel, Troop S1, Rain Alexa Peronio, Troop S2, Maria Bea Idita Marrero, Troop S3, Maria Eliza N. Artoras, Troop S4, Major Leader Joe Hannah D. Evangelista, DPC Leader Mark Faustino Indico, Mape, Company Commander Mark Nabato, Mape, Company XO, Mike A. Silenz, President Leader Boys Mark Pinheiro, Second Platoon Leader School Head Weda Mape Facilitator Coordinator, Assistant SDRRM Coordinator, Abigail Casey Bracero and William C. Arios. Entry number 2, Presentacion National High School, Santa Maria Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Number 2, Presentacion National High School, Santa Maria Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Lunita Fishery School, Biong Cabusao, Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff, Ruel Zuela, Troop Commander, Gabriel Luis Pinain, Troop S1, Rica Herbacio, Troop S2, Nike Cortizano, Troop S3, Diana Lynn Sardang, Troop S4, Major Leader, Juliana May Aguilar, DPC Leader, Jeffrey Artelos Reyes, Pape, Company Commander, Mark Angelo Tolentino, Pape Company XO, John Lloyd Maladino, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Gebsing de los Reyes, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Marcos Garcia, Student, Marlene J. Casares, CDP, Pape Facilitator, Russell Manis O. Maniago, Majors Coordinator, Arlene Maniago, DPC Coordinator, Ahmed Santos, Principal Reynaldo P. Lopez of Maclao National High School. Thank you. Entry number 3, Barcelona Fishery School, Biong Cabusao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 4, Jubel Christian Academy Incorporated, San Vicente, Pili, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff. Dante S. D. Guzman, Troop Commander. Brand Liam C. Malikat, Troop S1. Carl Xavier Alvarez, Troop S2. Christine May Yeses, Troop S3. Shamel Priones, Troop S4. Major Leader, Aliana Nicole Ibo. DPC Leader, Mary Giselle Zaspa. Pape Company Commander, Rudy Salvador Ojera. Pape Company XO, Ronin Ganaw. First Platoon Leader, Boys, General P. Tampoco. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Shane Razel Liagas, School Head. Jason B. Casiao, School Principal. CTP Pape Facilitator, Joselito A. Baldoza. Mace D. Aklan, Assistant Facilitator. Majors Coordinator, Ayla Charity Villaranda. DPC DLC Coordinator, Ayla Marie Budino. Gerard Nathan B. Macalin. Coordinator, Wilbert K. Amal, Assistant School Principal. Joy M. Pegado, School Administrator. Honorable Rolando S. Lozano, School President. Entry number 4, Jubel Christian Academy Incorporated, San Vicente, Pili, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 4, Jubel Christian Academy Incorporated, San Vicente, Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry, Entry number 5, St. John the Baptist Institute of Bicol Incorporated, San Juan, Bato, Camarines Sur. Vince J.B. J. Placido, Troop Commander. John Denver Artalagdrag, Troop S1. Venture M. Arigaspi, Troop S2. Christian M. Razonable, Troop S3. Romelin Villareva, Troop S4. Major Leader Francine R. De Leon, DBC Leader Christine A. Arroyo. CTP Company Commander Dennis T. Rojas, CTP Company XO Ronald A. Corralde. First Platoon Leader Boys Francis C. Argarin. Second Platoon Leader Girls Chandeline T. Villareva. School Head Mr. Conrado Motor, CTP Ambi Facilitator Mr. Mark Anthony G. Oldoya. Majors Coordinator Ms. Jessica T. Arigaspi. DDC PLC Coordinator Mr. Joel B. Danta. School Administrator Mr. Ernesto Orozco. School President Mr. Roberto F. Palanca. Entry number 5, St. John the Baptist Institute of Bicol Incorporated, San Juan, Bato, Camarines Sur. Entry number 5, St. John the Baptist Institute of Bicol Incorporated, San Juan, Bato, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 6, St. Jude Agro-Industrial Secondary School, Tupas Proper, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Carl Janford F. Estadilla, Troop Commander. Shane Iscolano, Troop S1. Jans Fiona Gabarda, Troop S2. Fairly G. Gagliarte, Troop S3. Bianca May Colorado, Troop S4. Major Leader Dennis F. Tataro. DBC Band Leader Sherwin Bubier. Mapay Company Commander Fern Kua Figura. Mapay Company XO Joyce R. Abinan. First Platoon Leader Boys Anthony P. Foliero. Second Platoon Leader Girls Sophia Iago. School Head Dr. Nilia F. Cañete. CTP Mapay Facilitator Mr. Edwin T. Varela. Mr. Ryan Duran. Major Coordinator Ms. Jocelyn Duran. Ms. Esil Doliano. DBCDLC Coordinator Mr. Dennis Suliman. Ms. Charissa Sorohan. Mr. John Del Galante. Entry number 6, St. Jude Agro-Industrial Secondary School, Tupas Proper, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 6, St. Jude Agro-Industrial Secondary School, Tupasapakan, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Next, entry number 7, Villasar National High School, North Villasar, Sipokot, Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff, Riza B. Herano, Troop Commander, Arnold S. Abiada, Troop S1, Justin B. Rubio, Troop S2, Elton Chan Amata, Troop S3, Cedric A. Mariwas, Troop S4, Major Leader, Kimberly Chloe Victoso, DVC Leader, Kevin D. Mana, CPD Company Commander, Jensen De Leon, CPD Company XO, Ramel Luis, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Brian Agato, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Lizel Aure, School Head, Geraldine D. Albergos, CPD Mapper Facilitator, with G. S. Portaso, Major Coordinator, LP, May Abateta, and Orlando A. Camilla, DVC Coordinator, David James Canada, and with G. S. Portaso. Entry number 7, Villasar National High School, North Villasar, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 7, Villasar National High School, North Villasar, Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 8, the Salvacion National High School, Salvacion, Sigaw, Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff, Balmores, Rachel J.D., Troop Commander, Mateo S. Bermudo, Troop S1, 7, Sabalmoro, Troop S2, Rebecca Vela, Troop S3, Jasper Manipale, Troop S4, Major Leader, Mary Chris Samson, DVC Leader, San Enrico Anuda, Mami Company Commander, Paulo Paulitis, Mami Company XO, Salvador Oriada, First Platoon Leader, Boys, San Renza, Remo Rosa, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Janelle De Ramos, School Head, Joel P. Taboha, CB Mapper Facilitator, Coordinator, Richie Alan Brungos, DVC PLC Coordinator, John Mark D. Gonzaga, Junel RJC Comilla, Assistant Facilitator. Entry number 8, Salvacion National High School, Salvacion, Sigaw, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 8, La Salvacion National High School, Salvacion Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Entry number 9, I-Connect Global Institute Incorporated, Poblacion Central, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander Hasim D. Piadado, Troop Commander Eden B. Maestrado, Troop S1. Rodi B. Ayanay, Troop S2. John Michael C. Apolonia, Troop S3. Christine M. Acamado, Troop S4. Major Leader Catherine K. S. Plazo. DBC Leader Jordan Verona. Mami Company Commander Clarence B. Albalade. Mami Company XO Aidel M. Mondrano. Personal Leader White Sky Carlos B. Mauyam. I-Connect Global Institute Incorporated, Poblacion Central, Ocampo, Camarines. Thank you. Entry number 9, I-Connect Global Institute Incorporated, Poblacion Central, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 10, Felix Alfelor Senior Foundation, Galing San Juan Avenue, Sipocot, Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff. Ben Stanley P. Mayor, Troop Commander. Jefferson P. Tolentino, Troop S1. Amado E. Lauda Jr., Troop S2. Daniel Inverpark P. Riparas, Troop S3. Mark Ray S. Amal, Troop S4. Major Leader Francis Karen C. Tuyo. DPC Leader Shem Jana Denver Villa. Mapping Company Commander Jairus Abingosa. Mapping Company XO Gabriel T. Principe. President of the Voice Entry number 10, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 11. Pangan High School Foundation Incorporated, Malitbong, Binalabak, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff. Mari Chief L. Cesar, Troop Commander. Kathleen Rose A. Castillo, Troop S1. James O. Pabay, Troop S2. Christopher Marco, Troop S3. Jose Casar, Troop S4. Major Leader. Mary Kate Pilapi. DDC Leader. Mark Anthony O. Tagle. Mapet Company Commander. Aaron Papa. Mapet Company XO. Armando Canivel. First Platoon Leader. Boys Clark Briones. Second Platoon Leader. Liza B. Capdoras. School Head. Danilo E. Dios. City Mapet Facilitator. Regent Felix. Mary Reba. Pangan High School Foundation Incorporated, Malitbong, Binalabak, Camarines Sur.
Kagulo sila.
Thank you very much. Entry number 11, Pangan High School Foundation Incorporated, Malitbong, Binalabak, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 12, Kasugad National High School, Kasugad, Bula, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff, James Nunez, Troop Commander. Marian Burhal, Troop S1. Clarence D. Arevalo, Troop S2. James Cedric B. Rito, Troop S3. Micaela B. Relos, Troop S4. Major Leader. Noids Maria Jesusa Padre, Princess Nicole Ayer. Maki Company XO, Francia May Algura. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Jovan A. Canalon. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Giselia P. Arazon. School Head, Reynan F. Luzon. CTV Mame Facilitator, Felix P. Aquino. Maintenance Coordinator, Queenie P. Silan. Honorable G. Ines. Joy J. Entry number 12, Kasugad National High School, Kasugad, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Gawin natin ni Ryan at Joel.
Entry number 12, Kasugad National High School, Kasugad Bula, Camarines Sur. Entry number 13, Sisa Felicia.